Good. Look at that. Look at that cheese broccoli, baby. The cheese broccoli. The fried chicken. And my rice. That's hot. You want to put my chicken there? Got like 3 more pieces there. About to take these out. They're about done.